Today we are going to be potting on some chilies and peppers, which we set off by seed inside the house. So we're going to knock a few of those out today and see if we can get them potted on and go from strength to strength. So we've got here today, we've got some pepper. That's Corona de Toro. That's like a long thin pepper. We've got pepper California Wonder. These are quite leggy though. They have had a real shoot up in the last week or so, so I really need to pop these on. They may be a little bit too far gone, but there's a couple of shorter ones there. I may sow a few extra and start them off again, but we'll save a couple of those if we can. And then we've got Marconi Red. They're a bit stockier. They're looking quite nice. We'll get those potted on too. So I like to use these biodegradable sort of pressed coir pots. They come in twos. I can actually get the seeds quite deep in these, get plenty of compost around them, and also the aim being that if I pot these on again, I'll just cut the sides down so the roots can get out and get them into bigger ones to plant on, so without disturbing the roots as much as possible. But they're quite easy to fill as well, so I'll just get a little bit of, this is I think Jack Westland, I think it's called Jack's Magic, which I like to use with a decent amount of vermiculite or perlite? Vermiculite in the mix as well, so it's, I just always try and avoid any massively large lumps, but get a bit in there. Obviously I'll be mostly pricking these out, so the aim is to try and get enough in there to get a decent amount in. Should be able to see that. And pricked out and potted on. So I use a dibber. Tend to start it with the thin end, and then just give it a bit of a wider amount. We'll try the California Wonder first. We've got a nice one here. Try and save the compost if I can. Try and get it by the, because ideally I'd like to try and well, look at that. So you can see there, hold it by the seed leaves, cotyledons I think they're called. There's some nice roots on that, but that can go quite deep, that one. Got a nice stocky plant then. Pop that in, give it a firm round, just pop that one in. I'll do that with this one. Next one here, should be able to see that. Just take it out of the seed compost. Another one. Again, quite a nice long root on that one, but we'll put that one in there. And again, we'll try and bury that one as deep as we dare. These three here are really quite long, so I think I'll try and use the shorter one there. That one might have gone too far. There's two nice ones there. They are probably a bit too long. I should really bear that in mind for California Wonder. They probably would or could take being potted on a lot better earlier than that. I've left them far too long. I think they're too leggy. I'll see, I might have a look, see what the come out like. I might give them a try, see what I like. I'll certainly go for this one. I mean, the seed might be quite deep. I don't know. I'll have a look. Tricky getting them in. Try and push that down. There we go. It's not gone too bad, has it? Try that. And then which one of these is the, yeah, they've got there now, the proper leaves coming through, but they really are quite leggy. I'll try that one. Let's see. That's as deep as that's going to go. Can't push that one anymore. Yeah, they're far too long, aren't they? But we'll see how they do. Right, we've got those really long ones in. They're not too bad, but we'll might see how they fare. I don't know if they'll get leggy again or continue, because like they are under a grow light in the house where it's warm. I'm just hoping that these do okay. So we'll pop those there. That's more of the same thing really for the other ones. No difference really in what we'll do. I'll try and keep these again, maybe try and do a few more California Wonder seeds. Obviously there's not been a great germination rate. What's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 out of 12, so 50%, that's not great. But overall we've got a lot of peppers that go in the polytunnel, so we'll keep that to one side and maybe use it again. So we're now on to the Corona di Toro. Done 2 already. Yeah, these are much better size, these much better for pricking out and potting on. There are a couple of them are a bit leggy, but I'll get 6 done today. Excuse the helicopter. Nice decently buried peppers. We did try peppers last year, but we didn't have enough space in the polytunnel because I was only really able to get one bed made in time for the tomatoes to go in, and really just plonks them in bags. And on the other side of the polytunnel, we had some things to put some more bags in. I'll give them a little water. Just to get settled in. I've only really got the one tap root really at the minute. So they are still only little seedlings. They're looking good. We'll see how these come on. Yep, there's another nice 6 planted up. And it'll be the same for the Marconi Red. I'll just show you those when they're done. So there we have the Marconi Red. They're all in, nice and quick. That'll just like help standing up. Give them another water. And there we go. That's the peppers and chilies, all nicely marked up and potted on. I'll take them back in the house, put them back under the grow lights. Don't really need any heat because they're inside. See if we can keep them going on. It's a nice variety of peppers there. The aubergines and chilies have come up as well now, but they're still quite small, so we'll give those maybe until next week. They're not looking too bad at all. Well, those are in little jiffy cells. They're in the little coir discs that expand when water's added to them. So my thought really with those is just to put some soil in these, give them a cut with a knife, with a Stanley knife or a pair of scissors, and then plop them in here in these with a bit more compost, and they may go a lot quicker. Just bang them in and get them potted on. But that's for today. That's those chilies all, sorry, the peppers all potted on and pricked out. Thanks for watching today. If you've liked the content, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, hints or tips, then look forward to your comments below, and I'll answer any questions you've got. I'd be grateful if you could subscribe so you can be notified next time when I've got a new video out. And thanks for stopping by. Bye!